is called the Bell Game. And what's going to happen is Tyler and Andre are going to be having a conversation, and when I don't like something they say and I want them to say something else, I'm going to ring the bell. Kind of like this.
I love bread. I detest bread. All the bread in my house is rolling. Can I borrow yours?
So we're going to do something a little bit like that, but before we start, we need a suggestion from a brave audience member for a location that would fit on the stage. Like a bathroom, but not a bathroom.
Meat locker.
A submarine. Like a submarine, but not a submarine. All right.
You know, it's really weird. I found out the other day, on a technicality, it's not actually a submarine. You know, I found out the other day, on a technicality, this really is truly a submarine, although I didn't see it written anywhere in the manual.
They gave you a manual?
Yeah, they gave me a manual. It was 300 pages long. Didn't read it. Except for the part where it didn't have submarine.
Well, could I borrow it? Because, I mean, I didn't really just pushing the button here. And, well,
Yes.
thanks, because, I mean, I'd really like to know what these people are saying. I mean, it sounds great, all these dots.
Yeah, I don't do buttons. I just have faith that they'll make the transmission clear. I don't really know. I guess on the screen it just says as defense. On the screen it's Shakespeare's words. I guess that thing about the monkeys and the random keyboard thing really is true.
Wow, yeah. No, yeah, that's I'm not really a fan of Shakespeare.
Not a fan of Shakespeare.
Yeah.
I throw down my headset in disgust. I throw up my headset in disgust. I throw my headset sideways at you.
That narrowly missed me!
Yeah, and if I had it my way, it would have hit you.
We should probably come down. We should probably not be yelling as much because of the enemy submarines!
Yeah, we really should have soundproofed these walls.
Oh, God!
Oh, God.
Hindsight is 2020! Oh!
Hindsight's not
39! Oh, I mean 2020.
It's like 2010. It's better.
Oh, yeah, all numbers better.
So good. All right.
It's like XX.
So maybe we should get to soundproofing these walls here. I brought down a soundproofing.
I have some bubble wrap. Oh, I have some crinkly paper that makes other sounds. Oh, I have some foam that I took from my bed. I have a couple of cats that, you know, we can just take up to the wall.
Cats, that's a good idea.
Should I
Because they'll listen to the noise. Cats, that's a terrible idea. Why don't we tape them to the walls of our submarine? It's hard enough to get them into water in the first place.
It's not supposed to be wet here. It's a really bad time.
Ooh, yeah, I guess, ooh, no, I guess the inch-deep puddle on the ground is a bad indication of the masonship, craftsmanship put into this submarine.
Yeah, well, should I get the cats, yes or no?
Yes, but get them cruelly.
Okay, here we got 1, 2, 4,